I tried the Cashwalk app, and here's the honest truth. It's built as a fitness-style app that lets you earn rewards just for walking. But let's dig deeper to find out if it's true. Cashwalk is a mobile pedometer and rewards app available on Android and iOS. The core idea is simple. The app tracks your daily steps and rewards you with coins, which you can redeem for gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, and more. It also offers bonus coins through daily activities, minigames, scratch cards, and referrals. According to its official store listing, it's designed to make walking more motivating by giving real rewards for staying active. When looking into how Cashwalk actually works for users in 2025, there are mixed experiences. On one hand, the app is a real pedometer and rewards platform used by millions, and some people do report redeeming gift cards over time. It tracks steps, coins are accumulated automatically, and the app is free to download and use. However, the earning reality has shifted a lot over time. Early on, users could reach a redemption threshold for smaller rewards like a $5 gift card with fewer coins. But many current users now experience much higher thresholds, meaning you need many more coins than before just to cash out. This makes earning meaningful rewards much slower and much harder than the original promises suggested. Real user feedback also highlights other issues. The app often shows intrusive ads, pop-ups, and lock screen ads, which many users find annoying. In some cases, people have reported lost coins, bugs, or account problems that blocked redemption, and poor or unresponsive customer service when they tried to resolve issues. A genuine positive in Cashwalk's favor is that it does reward you for activity you already do. If you walk regularly, you will earn coins without spending extra money, and some users have reported redeeming small gift cards successfully after long periods of consistent use. The fitness tracking itself works fine for logging steps and motivates people to move more since the coins only come from walking. There are clear drawbacks. The earnings are extremely slow, especially due to high redemption thresholds that increase over time, which means it can take months of daily walking to reach even a small gift card. Frequent ads and the need to enable lock screen tracking for step counting make the experience intrusive. Some users report lost points, glitches, and sometimes account or reward suspension issues that make it harder to get what you think you've earned. Cashwalk is free, encourages physical activity, and can pay out small rewards over a long period of consistent use. On the downside, earning coins is slow, redemption thresholds are much higher than before, ads are frequent and intrusive, and your experience may vary widely depending on device, region, and app version. Cashwalk is technically real and does pay out for some users, but it is not a reliable way to make significant money. It's better thought of as a fitness motivator with small reward incentives, rather than a solid side income source. If you hope to cash out often or quickly, you'll likely be disappointed due to the slow pace and rising thresholds. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.